First in the news, the Supreme Court will soon have a building that it can truly call its own. Joan Nano tells us why.
President Benigno Aquino and Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno today led the groundbreaking of the new Supreme Court complex in Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City. Magistrates of the Supreme Court, former Chief Justice Artemio Panganiban, Court Administrator Maidas Marquez, and Justice Secretary Leila de Lima were in attendance to witness the event. It was preceded by the ceremonial signing of the contract for the purchase of over 2-hectare property worth 1.28 billion pesos. A 9-story state-of-the-art building will be constructed to house the Supreme Court with a 6-story parking building. The buildings are estimated to cost about 3.2 billion pesos. Construction of the new buildings is expected to be completed in 2019. Chief Justice Sereno extended her gratitude to President Aquino and the Congress for their support to the Supreme Court's acquisitions.
Mr. President, you seem surprised that it's only now, but it is only now that we have such fundings. So now, Mr. President, now is as good a time as any for us in the Supreme Court to say thank you for your support. Today we have broken ground and started the process of building the court's new home, finally in its own name.
The building which the Supreme Court currently occupies along Padre Faura Street used to be an old library of the University of the Philippines. President Aquino says he is aware of Supreme Court's need for a better facility which the new complex will provide.
Batid nga po natin ang mga naging kakulangan sa physical structure. Pangunahin dito, limitado ang espasyo sa Padre Faura. Tuloy, apektado ang inyong serbisyo at mga operasyon. Ngayon ho, lahat ng problema ito matutugunan ng itatayong bago at modernong SC complex. Sa unang pagkakataon, sa loob ng 7 dekada, tuluyan ng magkakaroon ng sariling tahanan ang ating Korte Suprema.
Aquino says he knows that he cannot finish all the reforms in the judiciary until his term ends. He is only urging the Supreme Court to revisit the controversial cases they had decided.
Kayo po mga dalubhasa sa batas at ang panawagan ko, balikan ninyo ang mabibigat at kontrobersyal na isyong kinaharap ng hudikatura. Gaya ng mga panahong naging katakataka ang posisyon ng isa o ilang maestrado. Kung kailan biglang nagbago ang pananaw ng korte sa mahalagang usapin o tila nagkaroon ng judicial legislation.
Chief Justice Sereno, however, gave the assurance that they always discuss during their deliberations whether the proposed decision in a particular case will not go beyond the powers vested upon them by the Constitution.
In every en banc session, we continue to debate on whether what we are doing is already legislation or it is still within the bounds of what we can do. But ultimately, it will redound to a question of what the final vote will be. So it's an evolving thing, but we are mindful about that need to maintain that line.
Joan Nano reporting for Y News.